Hello everyone and welcome to Story Time with Liz. I hope you're well. Today we're going to be reading this amazing book, and this book is called I'm Thinking of a Farm Animal. Shall we go and read this lovely story? Come on then. I'm thinking of a farm animal. She struts through the farmyard on two scaly legs. She's covered in feathers and lays brown eggs. Can you see her pecking on the ground? The farm animal I'm thinking of is a chicken. Cluck, cluck. I'm thinking of a farm animal. He's got floppy ears and a snuffling snout. He loves sticky mud and he rolls about. Can you see him hiding in the sty? The farm animal I'm thinking of is a pig. I'm thinking of a farm animal. She stands in a field and she likes to chew. She's black and white with a swishy tail too. Can you see her munching the juicy green grass? The farm animal I'm thinking of is a cow. Moo, moo. I'm thinking of a farm animal. She's got a thick fleece. It's fluffy and white. She munches on grass all day and all night. Can you see her standing behind the gate? The farm animal I'm thinking of is a sheep. Baa, baa. The end. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that lovely story, and I hope you join me next time when we read some more amazing books. In the meantime, stay tuned to find out how you can help. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you'd like to see more of my content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks guys.